This video will find you when you will need it the most. This isn't a motivational kind of video. In this video, I am going to tell you some honest and brutal truth, uncomfortable truth that you are avoiding for too long. If you are one who is silently struggling, feeling stuck, and uncomfortable about having a conversation with someone, what have you been through and what are you feeling right now? You are not able to clearly communicate your feeling. You seems okay from the outside. You talk to your family, your friends, you go to your work, you do all the things that you are supposed to do. But from inside, something is breaking you. A part of you is missing. You are not longer the same person you used to be. You feel like at any point, at any time, you could break into pieces. You are not comfortable with yourself. You can't able to sit with yourself when you are lonely, alone in your room. There is a noise, a constant noise in your head that is telling you something is not right, but you don't listen the voice. You try to ignore, you try to run away from it. So you use excessive social media, you try to talk to friends or family, or the thing is that you try to distract yourself. You think that this is a matter of time, and time heals everything. At the end, everything is gonna fine and you will be okay. But sometimes it's not about the time, it's not about the patience, it's even not the maturity, but it's the avoidance. You don't want to face the actual situation. You are running from yourself, from your struggles. You think that you are healing and good things take time, but you have to understand that how long you will gonna be in the same fear, the fear of failure, the fear of being unsuccessful, the fear of being judged by others. How will they react when you start obeying them, when you stop listening to them, when you start doing the things that actually matters to you? So you start something but never fulfill it, never put your 100% effort into it, never do it with your whole heart. You just try to do it for the namesake, like that if you ever be unsuccessful or you will fail is this in this work, you can say to your family or friend that I didn't even do it with my all efforts, that's why I fail. But if I do it with my 100% efforts, I will be successful, I will be on the other side. But the thing is that you never gonna do that. You are following the same path, the path that is suggested by the others, and you fear from the unknown things. So yeah, it's not patience, it's self-sabotage, and you are trying to protect your so-called precious ego. Your mind chooses comfort over growth, leading to repetitive and familiar patterns. If you want to make it different, you have to walk away from your comfort and safety zone. You have to understand the thing that no one is going to save you. This isn't a fairy tale. This is your real life, and you are hero of your own story, and you can be villain or side character. It's up to you. You have to take ownership of your own life. So choose consistency over revolution. Instead of aiming for dramatic change, focus on small, consistent action, especially those are avoided by you for so long. Rebuild your identity through actions, not feelings. Make uncomfortable choices that lead to success. So the choice is yours, whether to scroll past your life or you can choose to fully live it. Thank you. Have a nice day.